Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make image hover just like so on with Elementor or just with WordPress. So first thing, you want to go ahead and choose an image and then click on advanced. And from here you want to go ahead and find CSS classes where you want to write down image hover. After that, you want to scroll down and click Custom CSS. And if you have Elementor Pro, you will be able to paste the code. If not, then you will need go ahead to the WordPress editor and click Customize on the same page you are editing with. And here you will need to go to Additional CSS, and here you can actually enter this code. As you can see, you can enter this code here and it will not cost you anything, and that's how it works. So I will leave the code in the comments down below. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.